Welcome to Growth. I'm Mike, and today I'm reviewing Manychat, one of the top platforms for chatbot automation across Messenger, Instagram DMs, WhatsApp, and even SMS. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Growth so you never miss new tools to help grow your business. And if you want to test Manychat, the link is in the description. So, what is Manychat? It's a powerful chatbot platform that helps businesses automate conversations, capture leads, and drive sales through conversational marketing, all without writing a single line of code. Whether you're running an online store, managing customer support, or boosting engagement on social media, Manychat makes it easy to build automated chat flows that work across your favorite platforms. Want to try it yourself? The link to Manychat is in the description. Here are some of the best Manychat features you'll love. Drag and drop flow builder. Design conversations visually, no coding needed. Omni-channel automation. Manage Messenger, Instagram DMs, WhatsApp, SMS, and email from one place. E-commerce tools. Recover carts and send order updates right in chat. AI personalization. Send smarter messages based on user actions. Growth tools. Grow your list with QR codes, pop-ups, and Instagram comment automation. Built-in analytics. Track performance and see exactly how much revenue your chatbot is generating. If this sounds helpful, subscribe to Growth for more reviews. And don't forget, you can test Manychat today using the link in the description. Is Manychat right for you? It's perfect for e-commerce brands that want to sell directly through DMs, service businesses that need to automate bookings and FAQs, content creators who want to engage followers automatically, agencies managing multiple chat marketing campaigns for clients. The best part? Manychat offers a free plan to get you started, with paid plans starting at just $15 a month, scaling with your contact list. That makes it affordable for businesses of any size. Want to see how it works? The link to test Manychat is in the description. Check it out. In summary, Manychat is one of the best tools for automating customer conversations, capturing leads, and boosting sales through chat marketing. If you found this review helpful, subscribe to Growth for more business tool reviews. And remember, the link to Manychat is waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.